Hi! This week you're going to be working on lab task card number 9. So make sure you have lab task card number 9 in front of you, as well as your assignment book. If you need a moment, go ahead and press stop and get those out. Come back, press play when you're finished. Now that you're back, you should have lab task card number 9 in front of you, as well as your assignment book. Today, we're going to be talking about a metronome. A metronome is a device that musicians use to help them keep a steady beat or to keep a steady pulse or heartbeat in their music. Okay, there's a couple different types of metronomes that you could have. I'm going to show you 3 right now. The first is this kind of strange looking thing here, okay? On the back, it has its on-off button, a volume control, and then this dial here, as you can see, all right, this dial here, which lists different beats on there, okay? I'm going to set this at 60 beats per minute, okay? And what that is doing is tapping the pulse for 60 beats in a minute, okay? If I were to set that, that is where my quarter note would be. Each time I hear that click, that's a quarter note. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? If I played a half note, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If I played a dotted half note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or if I played a whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I want you to do right now is I want you to use just your pointer finger, pick a key, and you are going to try to play and stay with that metronome, okay? We're gonna play 5, 10, 15 quarter notes in a row. Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and stop. Okay? How was that? Was it easy? It's a little bit tricky trying to stay with the beat, but it's very important as a musician that you're able to stay with that and that you keep the steady pulse of your music. So now we're going to try it with half notes, okay? So when we play, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're going to have 2 clicks for your half note, okay? When you're playing, you want to make sure that you press exactly on the beat and hold for 2. Try it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to play 4 quarter notes and 2 half notes. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pretty cool, huh? It's a little bit tricky. All right. Some other types of metronomes that you could use are this. Same thing. It's the same principle. It just looks different. All right? It's got a button to make it faster or slower. Now, the metronome that I prefer to use, and you may have seen me use this before, is actually an app that I use on my phone, okay? I do the same thing. I can make it go higher or make it go faster All right, and then I can also set it to go lower, okay? Go slower, faster, slower, okay? I'm gonna set it to 60. Every time you hear that click, that's your quarter note. 1, 1, 1, 1, or 1, 2, 1, 2 for a half note. Okay, so what I want you to do right now, I'm going to turn this off. You're going to use the metronome that is at your piano right now. I have it set to 60 beats per minute for you. Okay, I want you to pick an earlier piece or a piece from an earlier lesson, and I want you to use the metronome set at that slow, steady tempo and practice clapping or tapping your piece with the metronome. Once you're able to do that, then I want you to play your piece from beginning to end without stopping. Okay? Make sure you are listening really closely to hear that beat. Right? Make sure that you are pressing those quarter notes exactly at the same time as it's clicking. Now, if you are not on, you want to try to make an adjustment. Don't stop. Slow down if you need to, or speed up. Okay, give it a try. Try through a couple times, press stop, and when you're done, come back to the video. The next thing that you're going to do is you are going to use the iPad. You'll turn the video off, and you're going to go to the Rhythm Swing app. Okay? You're going to watch the tutorial on whole notes. Then you are going to practice. Okay? So it's going to give you, you're going to press the whole note. Right? There's a picture of a whole note. You're going to press the picture of the whole note. Then you're going to click on the button that says watch. You're going to watch the tutorial. When you're finished watching the tutorial, you're going to press practice, and you're going to practice playing with the whole note. Have fun.